Hello everybody, this is Ebony Glowhen, Mented Mentor, and y'all, it is finally summertime, which means skin is in. Now, if you want to see how I achieve this flawless, no makeup look using nothing but Mented Cosmetics products, keep on watching. First things first, the skin was prepped off camera, and now I'm applying Mented's Perfect Prime Primer Stick all over my face. You can actually blend this using your hands, but I like to use a clean foundation brush whenever I'm feeling bougie. Next, I'm setting my primer using the Skin Silk Loose Setting Powder and the Better Setter Setting Spray to set my primer and create a flawless base for the rest of my makeup. I'm a brows first kind of girl, so here I'm using the shade Brow Down. I absolutely love these eyebrow pencils. They give off such a natural finish. After that, I'm going in with my highlighter shade M10 underneath my eyebrows for a quick brow cleanup. I love that I can literally blend this out with my fingers. It's so smooth. Using that same shade, I'm going to conceal my under eyes. Letting that sit for a bit, I'm using Yacht Life all over my lid before I blend out my concealer. I like to do it in this order so I can cheat a lifted eye look with the shadow color and the concealer. Now, for the rest of the face, I'm using D40 and applying it only where I need it. I like to spray my face and my brush right before blending out my foundation for a flawless finish. Next step is always my favorite, and they don't call this Skin Silk for nothing because look at the material. Would it be a summer beat without a sun-kissed bronzer? Out of Office is always my go-to. I apply it to the perimeter of my face and along the natural contours of my nose. I'm using Clay Too Much on the apples of my cheeks, up my temple, and onto my nose. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls always overblush. You know the vibes. Back with my favorite. This time I'm mixing medium deep and deep rich to do a reverse contour following the natural shape of my face. And this has been a game changer in really elevating my overall makeup looks. Then I'm going to blend that out using Deep Rich by itself for a flawless, silky, skin-like blend. Now that the base is done, let's pop on some mascara using Long Live the Lash. I like to apply this on the top and my bottom lashes. This is the daytime beat, so we're going to keep it light and summery with Peach Please Semi-Matte Lipstick. Keeping with the orange hues, I'm going to add Coalition on top of that for a glossy finish. Now this is a bonus step. I like to bring my beauty marks back to the party after doing my makeup, and the highbrow pencil is precise enough for me to do just that with ease. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Now go out and get your glow on.